Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make the best paper airplane in the world. You get a piece of paper, A4 size, and you make and you fold it in half, lengthways, like this. Then these flaps, you fold it to the center, grease, you just made, and do the same to the other side. So you get this, yeah, in the middle. Then turn over, bend that back, like so. Can you see that? Then you just, this part here, you bend it about 3/4 to the point of the triangle, like this. Do the same to the other side. And once you've done that, this flap here, you just gotta fold it up, like so. Then bend it in half, like this. Then you gotta fold the wings down. So, like that. And that's it. And one last thing. You may be wondering what that triangle bit is for. It's just there so that it doesn't fall apart easily. And that's it. Have fun playing with this paper airplane. And I'll see you soon.